This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Troy Hiroshima. Just in time for the holidays, this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the desirable Paradise East area of Northwest Albuquerque. Featuring a spacious floor plan with plenty of room to entertain and a cozy pellet stove to warm up those coming chilly nights. Granite counters in the kitchen with tile and wood flooring throughout provide easy care and timeless style. Large 3-car garage that can accommodate multiple vehicles, extra storage, or space to park those fun toys. Easy, low-maintenance backyard with plenty of space to host or just relax, and let's not forget about the amazing views. All you need to do is look out your windows or walk outside your back door to see the majestic mountain or soft city lights flowing in the evening. Schedule a showing and let's make it yours. For more information,